This is eagle posture, Garudasana. So the benefits of this posture, it warms up and stimulates the 12 major joints of the body. It improves hip mobility, strengthens the core, and also great for balance. So to get into this one with your toes and heels together, we'll inhale, arms up over our head. And as you exhale, swing the right arm under the left, cross and twist, palms together, thumbs are in front of your face. If this is too challenging, you can also just grab your shoulders with your palms. Good, now sit into your chair, nice and deep, bending into your knees. Press through the left heel and bring the right leg high up and over the left. And if you can, you're gonna hook your foot behind your calf. If you can't do that, just squeeze your inner thighs together. Good. Right hip comes up and back, hips and shoulders are square to the floor and to the wall in front of you. Lift your chest up and then pull your elbows down strongly, pulling that left elbow down into the right. Good. Perhaps sink deeper now into the posture and then squeeze the right leg in and down on top of the left. Concentrating, meditate, and breathe and hold. And then change. Both feet on the floor, inhale, arms up over your head, and then relax, arms down by your side. Normally in class, we would do the other side as well.